lentil, bell pepper, coconut milk, rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the veg recipes and one of the most different of the fried rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most nutritious of the lentil recipes. Today we are going to make lentil, bell pepper, coconut milk rice. The ingredients are 100 grams of lentil soaked in water for 1 to 2 hours, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 1 bell pepper or capsicum cut into pieces, 2 to 3 red chillies, 25 grams of garlic, 15 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 1 spoon of fennel seeds. Heat the pan and pour in 10 of oil. Put in the fennel seeds. Well sorted. Put in the bell pepper capsicum pieces, mix that thoroughly. together. Keep on sauteing. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Mix that in. Put in the tomato pieces. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly mix. Put in lentil. Keep on sauteing. Saute and mix the lentil. Thoroughly mix. Mix the lentil with the rest of the mixture. Now pour in 250 to 300 ml of coconut milk and mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 10 to 12 minutes if in the pressure cooker or 25 minutes if in the open pan. After cooking for the required amount of time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let the mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes if in the pressure cooker or 15 minutes if in the open pan. Now the lentil, bell pepper, coconut milk rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final. Lentil bell pepper coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the fried rice recipes and one of the most nutritious of the lentil recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.